Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to the beach, so let's do a beach day makeup. So first is sunscreen. Obviously, you always gotta protect your skin from the sun. So I live really close to the beach, and I thought that like if I lived close to the beach, I would go to the beach like every single day. Not every single day actually, like every weekend. I thought I would go to the beach, swim in the water, maybe do some surfing. I thought maybe, oh my goodness, like I'm gonna be a surf girl at the beach, but nope. It's August now and I still haven't gone to the beach. I still haven't gone in the water. So today is the day. Now I'm just going in with the tinted moisturizer. I would use my hands, but I don't want to get my hands dirty, so I'm gonna use a sponge. So yeah, living near the ocean isn't like living near a mountain, because if you live near a mountain, you have to hike like every day pretty much, right? I used to live somewhere where I was surrounded by mountains and my apartment was on a hill, so I would have to climb the freaking hill every day, which was such a pain. But like, it's not like that if you live near the beach. I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer, just a little bit, not too much. Today is going to be a very short video because I am not going to apply that much makeup. To be honest, I don't even wear makeup when I go to the beach, but I want to take some pictures today, so that is why I'm putting just a little bit on. I'm going to contour just a little bit, and then a little on my nose. Blending it out with the sponge. Also, my lighting is terrible. I apologize. It's because if I open my window, the sun is going to be directly in my face. So that is why I have the windows closed right now. For my brows, I'm going to do a brow gel, and I'm just gonna fluff it out like this. Fluffing my brows out. Let's now move on to the eyes. You could tell that I woke up with a different eye today, which is lovely because I love it when my eye does this. I'm just gonna use one eyeshadow today, and I'm gonna go with this shimmery pink-ish eyeshadow. I just want to look like the sun kissed my eyelids. Putting this all over my eyelids and then blending it out. Oh, I didn't expect the eyeshadow to be so pigmented. I'm gonna apply just a little bit on the outer lower lash line. I'm gonna just blend this color out. Now I'm just going to tight line on my eyes and then just take my tinting liner and I'm gonna draw a really small wing. And I'm just following the natural shape of my eyes. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. Now for my blush, I'm gonna take this bronzy highlighter, kind of just apply it like right here, like that, just to make it look like I got tan. Putting some across my nose as well. Just want it to look like I got tan under the sun. Take a little bit more and I'm gonna put it like right below the tip of my nose. And then for my lips, I am just going to apply a nude lip gloss. Okay, I thought I was done. Let me highlight a little. Something's missing and I think it's my highlight. Let me highlight. I'm gonna put some highlight on my inner corners, and then I'm gonna put some highlight on the tip of my nose. There we go. Put some highlight right here. Alright, so this is my final look. I am ready to go to the beach. I love how it's natural with my natural skin peeking through. Anyways, I have to go to the beach now. Thank you so much for joining me in this Get Ready with me. Comment below what you like to do at the beach. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!